Today we're going to be giving peer feedback on our rough drafts, as well as editing our spelling, grammar, and mechanics. So we're going to start with the peer feedback piece. We're going to use our praise, question, polish strategy. In order to do this, you'll need to turn the OneNote link to your rough draft into the Canvas discussion called PQP discussion. After you've turned the link to your story in, you need to pick 2 of your classmates' essays to read. Read those essays thoroughly and respond to each of your 2 peers. You need to give that peer a P for praise, so say something positive about their work, a Q for a question, so ask a question about why they made a decision to write something a certain way, or ask if they intended to do a certain thing, or ask for more information. And then you need another P, a polish. Give 1 suggestion to improve the work. Your suggestion should not be capitalize your sentences or add periods. It needs to be something about how they wrote the story, not their grammar, not their spelling. Here's an example PQP. Praise. I love how much detail you described the fireworks with. I felt like I could hear and see and even smell them. Question. I'm not sure I understand what you wrote about. And then you would tell maybe it's about how the fireworks work. Polish. I think you have some extraneous details when you're describing how people celebrate 4th of July. You should tell us more about the holiday in general and less about the 4th of July you celebrated. This is an example solid PQP. You would write this as a reply to their link to their essay. After you do your PQP, you're going to fix anything that you have from the peer feedback that you agree with, and then you're going to go in and you're going to start editing. So this is the part where we finally start worrying about our conventions. You need to check your capitalization. Look for usage, so is anything spelled wrong? Are there any verbs that are wrong? Are there any sentence fragments? So you used your sentences wrong. You need to check for punctuation, and you need to check for spelling. This is the part where we finally start to make it picture perfect. This should take you the whole class between giving feedback to your peers and editing for capitalization, usage, punctuation, and spelling in your own essay.